Today we will cook real Greek stuffed tomatoes. For this you need 4 tomatoes, very big ones. Put them on a baking tin and cut them on the top off so you get a cup. Do this with all 4 tomatoes. After that you start carving the pulp out. Do this with a big tablespoon. Then you should chop up the pulp a bit. After that you need a big white onion. Then chop it into very tiny pieces. Then you put a bit of sugar into the empty bodies of the tomatoes. Then heat up your pan and roast the onion pieces gently with a bit of olive oil. Add the onions and roast them gently. Add 500 grams of hash into the pan and roast it gently. Add a bit of salt and pepper to the tomato pulp, and very important for the Greek version, you put a bit of cinnamon into it. That's the Greek cooking secret. After you did this, you can add the pulp to the pan. Do this when your hash turns into the color of gray. Now you add 1 coffee cup of rice to the hash pulp mix. And 1 coffee cup of water. Add a fistful of raisins to it and let the pulp hash rice mix simmer for 15 minutes. You can use your cooking timer and pull down the heat. Control regularly if the rice needs some more water. It should not be too much water, you don't want a soup. Remember that the rice will get later ready in the oven. After the 15 minutes, you put the mix into the tomato bodies. Put them on the tin and put the cap on them. The rest of the filling pull around the tomatoes. Add again a bit of water and pull all in the oven at 200 degrees. Put your cooking timer on 1 hour. Still have a look on the rice. In the end it should be smooth and a bit crunchy. Bon appetit! If you liked it, please give me a vote or subscribe for my channel. Thank you.